Hi buddy, this is Sogan. You're most welcome. Today I wanted to show you the pattern of this beautiful Irish crochet lace flower. This video is dedicated to you. So let's go. Start the slip knot and chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Insert your hook in first chain and make a slip stitch. Chain 1 and make 10 single crochets in this ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Make a slip stitch in first single crochet. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip one stitch and make a single crochet in next stitch. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Skip one stitch and make a single crochet in next stitch. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Skip one stitch and make a single crochet in next stitch. Chain 5, skip one stitch and make a single crochet in next stitch. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Make a slip stitch in first single crochet. Make a slip stitch in first space. Chain 2. Insert your hook in first chain and pull. Insert your hook in this space and pull. You'll have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through first loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Chain 1. You will see loops on your work. Insert your hook in first loop and pull. 1, 2 loops on your hook, 3 and 4. Yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 and yarn over, pull through 2. Chain 1. Insert your hook in first loop and pull. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through first loop, yarn over, pull through 2 until the end. And chain 1. Insert your hook in first loop and pull. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through first loop, yarn over, pull through 2 until the end. And chain 1. Insert your hook in first loop and pull. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Yarn over, pull through first loop, yarn over, pull through 2 until the end. Continue the next 2 rows with 7 loops until the tip of the leaf is smooth. Don't chain 1. Skip first loop, insert your hook in second loop and pull. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Yarn over, pull through first loop, yarn over, pull through 2 until the end. Once more, skip first loop, insert your hook in second loop and pull. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through first loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we want to decrease the number of loops to crochet the other side of the leaf. Skip first loop, insert your hook in second loop and pull through 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2 until the end. Insert your hook in second loop and pull through 2 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 loops, and your hook, yarn over, pull through first loop and yarn over, pull through 2 until the end. Insert your hook in second loop and pull through 2. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert your hook in second loop, then pull through 2. 1, 2, and 3. Yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert your hook in second loop, then pull through 2. 1 and 2. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. My first petal is ready. Insert your hook in next space, then make a slab stitch, chain 2, and keep going. I crocheted 5 petals. At the end, make a slab stitch in the middle. Remove your hook and insert your hook in these loops, these 2 loops of single crochet, and pull through 2. Chain 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and make a slab stitch in next single crochet. Chain 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and make a slab stitch in next single crochet. 2 loops of single crochet. Chain 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and make a slab stitch in next single crochet. Please watch my videos online to motivate me to make more videos. Many thanks. Chain 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and make a slab stitch in next single crochet. Chain 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and make a slab stitch in first single crochet. Make 6 single crochets in first space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Chain 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and make a pocket. Turn your yarn from left to right. Make 6 single crochets in this ring. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and make a slab stitch in the middle of these 2 rings. And turn your work. Make 12 single crochets in the space of 10 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Make 4 single crochets on the left side of the second loop. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Remove your hook. Insert your hook in fourth stitch of next ring and pull through. Make 17 single crochets in this new space. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. Make a single crochet in the middle ring, chain 10, remove your hook, insert your hook in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stitch and pull through. Make 6 single crochets in new space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and make a pocket. Make 6 single crochets in same space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Make 6 single crochets in the middle ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and pull. Chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 1, 2, 3. Insert your hook in fourth stitch of previous ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17 single crochets in the space of 10 chains. Make 6 single crochets in the middle ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Make a slab stitch in the middle of first and second ring. Chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And remove your hook, insert your hook in 6 stitch of previous ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert your hook in 6 stitch and pull through. To help this video reach more people, please like it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17 single crochets. Make a slab stitch in the middle of first and second ring. Now let's crochet the left side of first ring. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 single crochets. My first bottle is ready. Make 6 single crochets in next chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and make a pocket. Keep going. I crocheted 5 petals. At the end, make a slab stitch in first single crochet, chain 1, cut the yarn off, then hide your yarn. I appreciate for your consideration and for your time. I hope you like this video. If you like such videos, I will be happy to be with you by subscribing. See you later. Bye for now.